Soluton presents Spirit Seeking with Pratick.
Once upon a time, there was a penny pincher. A penny pincher is a person who likes to hoard wealth and not spend money. His roof needed mending, and he was up on his roof. He did not want to spend his money on a roofer. As he was mending his roof, he slipped on a tile and he fell from the roof. As he fell, he passed the kitchen where his wife was preparing lunch for him. As he passed by the window, he shouted to his wife, "Please don't prepare lunch for me." That is how the miserly guy was. His life was at stake, but he was thinking about how to save money in the future. But we are no different than that penny pincher. We are always thinking about either the past or the future. We're always making up plans. We're always afraid of something that might happen in the future. Or we are proud of something that we did in the past, or we are regretting something. But barely do we stay in the present. Well, you are in the present, and your mind is either in the future or in the past. Now that gap creates tension. That's what you call anxiety. You're getting pulled away from yourself and you feel anxious, or you feel guilty if you're thinking about the past. It happens to the best of us. Happens to me too, although I practice awareness all the time. But whenever that happens, I become aware of myself and I analyze if I'm thinking about the future or the past. If I'm thinking about a pleasant memory in the future or an unpleasant one, or I am being proud of something that I did in the past, or I'm regretting something that I did in the past. Once I find out what my brain is doing, then I tell myself, it's okay. Let the future and the past go. Now come back to the present. Come back to where you are. But how do you come back to where you are? What is the present? Well, the present is now. The present is whatever you're feeling right now. The feel of whatever you're sitting on. The feel of your clothes. The warmth or the cold nature of your body, the different sensations that you are feeling in your body, and your breath. How is your breath? Is it slow and steady? Is it fast and rapid? Once I do that, it takes a couple of minutes, but I do calm down. The mind again tries to pull me away, but I say, no. I have to stay here. I need to stay here if I am to be present, if I am to be aware, if I am to be seen. That's how I deal with my anxiety. How do you deal with yours? Write it down in the comments below and share it with the world. Let's create that community of new generation humans. If you like whatever is happening here, press the like button. And if you would like to see more of these videos, subscribe to us. I will make sure that I interact with you, communicate with you, and try to talk about the issues, try to talk about the things we mostly need in today's times. Thank you.